Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Parvez. I think you know I have a YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna unboxing it on one phone. Which phone can unboxing? Let's see the Oppo's. Oppo. Unboxing the Oppo phone. So I'm gonna unboxing the Oppo's. I see what the games. Oh, this is the hard case cover. It's a rated on the hard case cover, and this is the phone. The model is OPPO A3s. You guys can see the A3s. So now I'm gonna unboxing it the phone. So let's see what inside the things they have. It's a big box actually. This is bigger battery and dual camera. Let's see what is this inside. Oh, the design shape is nice. The display shape. Okay, this is gonna plastic silky cover for this phone, and then it's quite sharp. That there is a charger, three plug charger, and the cable, and this is the phone. The Oppo A3s. This is the purple one mobile phone. You see the two cameras and pixel, and they say it's a heavy big battery and the dual camera. Let's see how this start. How's it? Just come out to the power option. Oh, one more thing I have to forget to tell you, because it's a full display phone, same like iPhone. They just copy from the iPhone the full display. It's a wide display. You see, it will be starting. So I'll be choose the language. First of all, choose the language, and then Wi-Fi escape, and this is okay.